Okay, tonight's video is brought to you by Davis Enterprises. Katie's brought these, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Kate. Look at that, that was a close one. So these are what burgers?
Beyond.
Beyond burgers.
Yeah.
What?
They're called the Beyond Burger.
Okay, and these are made from what?
Beetroot
yeah.
and pea protein.
Okay.
Basically, and lots of other ingredients.
And then we got...
Yeah, water, pea protein, rapeseed oil, potato starch.
And what you don't say, yeah, with tomatoes, lettuce,
And brioche.
Gherkins.
and what, Kate?
Brioche with posh.
Brioche burger.
Brioche what? Buns?
Yeah.
Right, okay. And what's these? Cheese slices. Okay.
I like cheese slices.
So what we're doing, because the competition, I'm eating up. Bear with me. Oh, it's hot. So I'm eating up some potatoes which we've cooked in mint. There we go. So I'm heating them up on the skillet so it doesn't get too hot and burn them. And followed by, bear with me. So two steak, I won't say medallions, I think they call them flat iron steaks. I really don't know what cut they are because usually they're pretty good because I was a butcher for yonks. But anyway, followed by mushrooms in a, I've got a cheese sauce. What else are we doing? Cheese sauce. Potatoes in minted with, oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I did show you these. And these are at the garden. These are the first pick. I thought, oh, I wrapped these up well. There we go. French beans and string beans?
Runner beans.
Runner beans and French beans. So we've got a mixture. We'll keep that nice and warm. Yeah. Okay, so I've chopped the mushrooms up, put a bit of cheese sauce on the top with some oat milk. Okay, so that tastes like. Listen. So they're warming up nicely. Steaks will go on in a second and we're done. How's your burgers doing over there? Oh,
Quite high up that, isn't it? Mm.
you've had that grill a while now. It's a stainless steel barbecue, isn't it?
Yeah. The Lunar Lander.
Yeah.
15 quid, wasn't it?
Something like that.
11.
11 quid.
You can't go wrong with that, can you?
Apparently there was a complaint though on the Amazon app saying that it got dirty.
Oh, it tarnished when.
Oh, that's right. Hello! That's what happens when you stick a hot red hot coals in it.
I don't think that was by all outdoorsy people.
All right. Who's getting his buns ready?
I have sweet buns.
What you put on there?
Gherkins, but we've only got two, so I've cut them up really small so I can spread them out.
Very nice.
Medallions. Yeah, you get free at McDonald's.
Yes,
Beautiful.
medallions.
Okay, just let them simmer. Should be far off, this shouldn't be. Oh, beautiful. Still smell the mint. Right. What are these?
Chopsticks.
Oh, right. Did you put the forks in or it all came together as a kit?
It came together, but it's a bit mixed match. There was a fork, a spoon, a teaspoon, another spoon, and a knife, and 2 chopsticks.
Oh, right. Okay. How much was that?
2 quid.
Is yours complete, Lewis?
Yeah, apart from there's a plastic one in there for some wood.
Because I don't like chucking anything away.
I thought you were minimalist.
Okay.
No spoon in this one.
So the fork and everything came with it?
Fork, chopstick,
Knife,
Knife.
spoon. Where'd you get them from?
Amazon.
Good point.
Comes in a nice little case. Keeps them all tight.
You got these folding chairs, but they're no good for me.
Ones that have got the pattern.
These are for people who are slightly lighter than I am.
We used to have ones like this.
You
They
could
all
put, yeah.
stuck together, didn't they?
So not quite ready the burgers yet. And they got cheese to go on. Ooh,
These in
looking
a
forward
nice
to that.
fork, don't we?
Sorry.
We need a nice little pouch like this.
Yeah. Okay, so I transferred the potatoes from there on top of the mushroom pot to keep them warm. And now we're going to pop on the steaks on here, which contain 2 pepper buttered mushrooms. 2 knobs of pepper butter.
Bit windy, isn't it?
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? I love the way that the skillet, when you've oiled it afterwards, it doesn't stick. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. I'll show you again. I'll put a bit of light on it now. Okay, mushroom's almost done. Potatoes nice and hot, steaming.
Mustard and dill.
Whoa, that was close. Oh, it wasn't. It was on the edge. Ooh.
Put up the sauce.
So they reckon this, when you put this sauce in, it makes like a Big Mac.
Yeah. I can't remember I had one for you.
Yeah, it does look quite nice.
Oh, these are the best burgers. They also cost the most.
They're expensive, are they?
Yeah, £5 for 2.
Why saying that now?
This is about the same as a good quality beef.
Yeah. Oh, and you made a bit. What you got there? Oh, you got some potato salad.
Just a bit of potato salad to go with.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Like the carbs we do.
It's all that.
Alright, don't give me that much. I'll go from 6. Rex, thank you. Yeah, have a potato salad. Rex.
Looks beautiful. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Okay.
Okay, back to ours. Going in rare. There you go. Look at that. Sorry, I haven't got my tripod. Someone's borrowed it. Okay, so we're ready to serve as well. How many?
3, please.
Just 3.
For now, yeah. Some beans. Our first beans. Well, we did have some green beans, didn't we? Some French beans.
It's not, There's not a lot, I'm afraid.
That's fine. Yummy.
Okay. Have to keep some of these juices, won't we? Oops, alright. Let's get it in the right order. I'll have 4 and I'll leave it a small one, okay?
Okay. Why not have it? And the mushroom sauce.
I burnt the pan a bit. Taste it. Usually these are very tender.
It's all right.
Yeah. Not as tender. Very nice. Garden peas.
Beans.
Have to wait a minute.
It was a bit chewy.
These are at the garden.
They're tender.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Not stringy.
No,
Not yet.
no, actually, they're sweet. That's weird.
Actually, the potatoes in
Mum
the garden
hand
aren't far off.
pollinated them.
Is that what it was?
Didn't you, Mum?
I did with a paintbrush. And some sugar water.
Mushrooms and cheese sauce. That's different. All right though. Hey. No.
Look at that.
It's Katie's birthday. By the way, isn't it? What's it now? Who is he?
I'm just the guy that turns up every morning.
Oh, you are, right, okay. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. If you
And an extra thumbs up for my birthday.
yeah, extra thumbs up for Katie's birthday. Please subscribe, like, and everything else. The next video will be this side, and my subscribe button's this side. I think that's right, isn't it?
Opposite.
Thank you. Take care. See you in the next one. Carry on.
Bye, Penny.